Good afternoon. Myself Swati, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering. I am going to conduct my video lecture series based upon computer networks. My topic is on routing algorithm. Routing algorithm means it is a procedure that lay down routes or path to transfer data packet from source to destination. We are giving a way to go, and we are giving a path to transfer data packet from source to destination. They helps in directing internet traffic efficiently. After the data packet leaves its source, it can choose among many different paths to reach its destination. Routing algorithm mathematically compute the best path, least cost path that packet can be routed through. Simply, the routing algorithm is an way solver or path solver to transfer data from source to destination. It is a least cost path, and then we are having a different path to reach the destination. So if we leave their own destination, means if we having any correction or corrupted, means it will be difficult to take over. So we are having a routing algorithm to show the path to transfer from source to destination. And then in order to transfer the packet from source to destination, the network layer must determine best route through which packet can be transmitted. Network layer only know that what kind of packet will be traversal from this kind of link or this kind of route. Likewise, the network layer only shows the best route to the packet for transmitting the data packets. And the network layer provides datagram services or virtual circuit services. The routing protocol provides this job. Routing protocol is a routing algorithm that provides the best way from source to destination. We already discussed like that. Routing process is an forwarding the packet from source to destination, but the best route to send the packet is determined by the routing algorithm. We are having types here. Routing algorithm means adaptive routing algorithm and non-adaptive routing algorithm. In adaptive routing algorithm, that is centralized, isolated and distributed. Non-adaptive routing algorithm is in flooding and random walk. Let's see one by one. Adaptive routing algorithm means it is also a dynamic routing algorithm. It makes a decision to dynamically depends on network conditions. It constructs the routing table depending on the network traffic and topologies. Try to compute the optimized route depends on the hop count, transit distance and time. And then types means centralized algorithm, isolated algorithm and distributed algorithm. Centralized algorithm means it finds the least cost path between source and destination by using the global knowledge about the network. So it is called a global routing algorithm. And then routing algorithm is an isolated algorithm is an routing information by using local information instead of gathering information from other nodes. We are gathering an information from other nodes. Instead of that, the isolated algorithm will be used. Isolated means we are having any n number of informations having, means it will be isolated the information to one and one. Distributed algorithm means it is a decentralized algorithm. It is a least cost path between source and destination irrespectively. It is in distributed manner. And then we are having a non-adaptive routing algorithm. It is an algorithm, it is a static routing algorithm. Statically, the routing table will be determine the path through which packet will be sent. Static routing table is constructed based upon the routing information stored in the routers when the network is booted up. Types means it is in flooding and random walk. Flooding means when a data packet arrives at the route, it is sent to all the outgoing link except the one it has an arrived one. If we are sending a data packet to the destination side, if the router gets the arrives, it sends out. It send all the outgoing link will be except one it has arrived one. It is a flooding may be uncontrolled or controlled or selective flooding also. Random walk means it is a probabilistic algorithm where a data packet is sent by a router to any one of its neighbors randomly. Randomly, the data packet will be sent by the router to any nearby packets or nearby destination. This is a differentiation between adaptive routing algorithm and non-adaptive routing algorithm. Define usage, routing decision and categorization complexity. and then it is based upon the network condition, and the static table will be determine how the node will be sent to the packet. And then usage means it is a dynamic routing, and then it is non-adaptive is in static routing. Routing decision means it is in topology network traffic, it is in static table. And then categorization means it is in centralized isolation and distributed algorithm. It is in flooding and random walk. Complexities is more complex, and it is simple for communicating. Thank you.